You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. The name of a type of fabric, and it's a name that originally comes from French. The French pronunciation is Chambray. Chambray, which is the name of a town, and in English it's pronounced Chambray. Because it is French, the CH is pronounced like SH, so Chambray. Chambray. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.